Elon Musk, the enigmatic tech titan, has amassed a staggering fortune, making him one of the wealthiest individuals in the world. His innovative ventures, from Tesla to SpaceX, have captured global attention. But beyond his groundbreaking business, there's a burning question. How does Elon Musk invest his vast wealth? What strategies and assets fuel his financial empire? Elon Musk's investment strategy is remarkably focused. Unlike many billionaires who diversify their portfolios across various industries and companies, Musk tends to concentrate his investments in ventures he personally controls or has a significant stake in. This concentrated approach allows him to exert a direct influence on the direction and growth of these companies, often aligning their goals with his own vision. Publicly traded stocks. Elon Musk's most significant public holding is Tesla, the electric vehicle and clean energy company he co-founded in 2003. Tesla has become the cornerstone of his immense wealth, accounting for a substantial portion of his net worth. Musk's involvement with Tesla goes back to its early days. He not only provided crucial funding, but also took on the role of CEO, leading the company through its formative years. His visionary leadership and innovative approach have been instrumental in Tesla's meteoric rise and dominance in the electric vehicle market. As a significant shareholder, Musk's financial interests are closely tied to Tesla's success. To further align his incentives with the company's growth, Tesla has implemented a unique compensation package for Musk. This package consists primarily of stock options, which allow him to purchase Tesla shares at a predetermined price. The vesting of these options is tied to specific performance milestones, such as achieving certain market capitalization targets. This compensation structure incentivizes Musk to drive Tesla's value and growth. While Tesla is his primary public holding, Musk's investment journey began earlier with PayPal. In the late 1990s, he co-founded X.com, an online financial services company that later merged with PayPal. Musk played a pivotal role in PayPal's growth and eventually sold his stake in the company when it was acquired by eBay. The proceeds from this sale were instrumental in funding the early stages of Tesla and SpaceX, demonstrating the interconnectedness of his entrepreneurial ventures. Private equity. Beyond his publicly traded holdings, Elon Musk has a significant stake in several private companies, most notably SpaceX. SpaceX, the aerospace company he founded in 2002, has experienced rapid growth and achieved a substantial valuation, making it one of the most valuable private companies in the world. Musk's ownership of SpaceX represents a substantial portion of his overall wealth. In addition to SpaceX, Musk has invested in other promising private ventures. The Boring Company, a tunnel construction company, aims to revolutionize transportation infrastructure. Neuralink, a neurotechnology company, focuses on developing brain-machine interfaces. OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research laboratory, is dedicated to advancing artificial general intelligence in a safe and beneficial way. These investments showcase Musk's diverse interests and his willingness to take on ambitious projects with the potential for significant impact. Cryptocurrency investments. Elon Musk has expressed interest in cryptocurrencies, often making headlines with his tweets and comments about various digital assets. Dogecoin, a meme-based cryptocurrency, has been a particular focus of his attention. Musk's public endorsement has significantly boosted Dogecoin's value, highlighting the influence he can exert on the cryptocurrency market. Beyond Dogecoin, Musk has also acknowledged his holdings of Bitcoin and Ethereum, two of the most prominent cryptocurrencies. Notably, both Tesla and SpaceX have made significant investments in Bitcoin, further solidifying Musk's connection to the cryptocurrency space. While Musk's public statements and investments have generated considerable attention, the exact details of his personal cryptocurrency holdings remain relatively private. It's unclear how much Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies he personally owns, adding to the mystique surrounding his investment strategies. Stocks Elon Musk doesn't buy. While Elon Musk's primary investments are well documented, there remains a degree of uncertainty surrounding his full investment portfolio. Public records and disclosures provide insight into his major holdings, but they may not capture the entirety of his financial assets. It's possible that Musk has smaller positions in other publicly traded companies, either as personal investments or through entities that are not required to disclose such holdings. These smaller investments might not be significant enough to warrant public disclosure, but they could contribute to the overall diversification of his portfolio. How to invest like Elon Musk. Replicating Elon Musk's private equity investments is a formidable challenge for most individuals. These investments often require significant capital, access to exclusive deal flow, and a deep understanding of the underlying industries. Additionally, many of these ventures are privately held, making it difficult for ordinary investors to gain exposure. While direct investment in Musk's private companies may be out of reach for many, there are publicly traded alternatives that offer exposure to similar sectors. For example, Rocket Lab USA, a space launch company, is often cited as a publicly traded analog to SpaceX. While it may not offer the same level of direct involvement as SpaceX, Rocket Lab USA can provide investors with exposure to the burgeoning space industry. Cryptocurrency risk. Cryptocurrency investments are inherently risky. The market is highly volatile, subject to rapid price fluctuations and potential crashes. Additionally, there are regulatory uncertainties and security risks associated with cryptocurrencies, which can further exacerbate investment risks. It's important to note that Elon Musk's risk tolerance is significantly different from that of most individual investors. As a billionaire with a vast fortune, he can afford to take risks that may not be suitable for those with limited financial resources. His ability to weather potential losses is far greater than that of the average investor. Musk himself has cautioned against excessive cryptocurrency investments. He has advised investors to be cautious and not put too much of their money into cryptocurrencies. This advice underscores the importance of understanding the risks involved and investing within your means. Alternative approach. If you aspire to emulate Elon Musk's entrepreneurial spirit and involvement in future-focused ventures, one potential path is to consider entrepreneurship yourself. While it's not a guaranteed path to success, entrepreneurship offers the opportunity to pursue your own ideas, innovate, and potentially create significant impact. By starting your own business, you can take control of your financial destiny and align your work with your passions. While it may require hard work, dedication, and risk-taking, entrepreneurship can be a rewarding journey that allows you to contribute to the world in a meaningful way. Elon Musk's investment strategy is characterized by a concentrated focus on ventures he personally controls, particularly Tesla and SpaceX. His involvement in these companies has been instrumental in his immense wealth accumulation. Additionally, Musk has shown interest in cryptocurrencies, although the extent of his personal holdings remains somewhat unclear. While Musk's success is inspiring, it's important to remember that replicating his wealth is a challenging endeavor. His unique position, access to capital, and risk tolerance set him apart from most investors. For individuals seeking to build their own investment portfolios, it's crucial to focus on realistic goals, diversify investments, and carefully manage risk. By conducting thorough research and understanding your own financial situation, you can develop an investment strategy that aligns with your objectives and risk tolerance. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to investing. The key is to find a strategy that works for you and helps you achieve your financial goals. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into finance, investing, and the world of business.